Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zoom for virtual meetings step by step clearly. To install Zoom for virtual meetings, first, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Zoom website at zoom.us. On the home page, locate the Resources tab in the top menu. Click on Download Zoom Client from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the Downloads page. Here, find the section labeled Zoom Client for Meetings. Click the Download button for the Zoom client. Your download will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your device. Double-click the file to initiate the installation process. For Windows, a setup wizard will appear. Follow the prompts to accept the terms and conditions. Click Install to begin the installation. For Mac users, you may need to drag the Zoom icon into the Applications folder. After installation, find and open the Zoom application. You will be greeted with a sign-in page. If you have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If you are a new user, click on Sign Up Free to create an account. Once logged in, you can customize your settings as needed. To schedule a meeting, click on Schedule in the application. Fill in the details like date, time, and other preferences. Finally, click Save to confirm your meeting setup. You are now ready to use Zoom for your virtual meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.